Hi guys, and thank you for visiting my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you a recipe of extra rich and moist chocolate cake with creamy chocolate buttercream filling. You can bake this cake in a single layer and simply dust with some powdered sugar. In both ways you will get absolutely delicious and moist chocolate cake. So please prepare the ingredients you see on your screen and let's get started. First, whisk together 300 grams of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 7 grams of baking soda, 220 grams of all-purpose flour, and 65 grams of cocoa powder. Now add in 2 eggs, 60 grams of softened butter, 60 grams of olive or vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 260 milliliters of milk, and 1 tablespoon of wine vinegar. Distribute the cake batter evenly between the two prepared cake pans. Bake at 315 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Meanwhile, let's make the frosting. Beat 330 grams of room temperature cream cheese and 150 grams of softened butter until light and fluffy. Now add in 160 grams of confectioners sugar and 55 grams of cacao powder. Beat until creamy. It's time to assemble our cake. Cut the top of both cakes. Place one cake layer with the flat side down and spread the frosting. Now place the second layer of the cake on top of the frosting, flat side up. Spread evenly the frosting on top and the sides of the cake. You can also decorate your cake with some chocolate chips or chopped nuts. And this is it, our chocolate cake is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video, and now let's have a bite.